ನೋಡಪ್ಪ.
We are part of private schools and children welfare association, and yes, we are for this association as we head the institutions. Yes, it is, we are shouldering a big responsibility at this pandemic situation. As everybody knows, we are ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಸಹನೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಸಾವಧಾನದಿಂದಿರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನೋಟೆಡ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್, ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳೇ ಹಾಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಾವಧಾನವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಇದ್ದು ಇದ್ದು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟಾಲರೇಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 8 months. Yes, so that is the energy of the teachers or the institutions or the school managements. We are proud to say this because as everybody knows, every citizen in our country, they know that teachers are the only one who can do this. And we are the backbones. Yes, ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಹೊರತಾಗಿ ಹಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Yes, it is there in the blood of the teachers. But how long, how many months, how many years without money or without financial support? Yes, the life will not go on. So ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪಾಠ ಆಗಿದೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗೆ, and we have learnt a lot, and this COVID, in this situation, it has taught us. Now it is high time, yes, we have to stand up and show where we are, because we are the builders of the future country, future citizens. Only we can build the new professions, or whatever professions are there, we are the teachers who are doing that. So everybody agrees with that, and yes, we teachers, we take the support from the school management, and school management is always there to support the teachers. But in this condition here, as we already know what is happening, ಪೋಷಕರ ಅವರ ಸಹಕಾರ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. they cannot pay fees because we know their problems. Yes, that is one big issue. ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇದು ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆಡಳಿತ ವರ್ಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, and teachers. If this triangular, this network is healthy and strong, then only we can give good citizens, or we can build future country or future India. So now tell us where we have to go, whom to approach. And the management is not financially strong now, where will they go? And what will happen to the families of the teachers? Already 8 months over, where they are. They are really, their voice, taking online classes, they are showing their voice only with their students, that too with love and affection. Nowhere they have come down in their teaching or in their capacity. They have not shown any such, the graph has not gone down at all. They are showing their creativity in such big manner that their teaching, they have to do good, and it has to reach the children. That is the good motive, intention of the teachers. Now, when the teachers are in this situation and they are not getting the salary what they have to be paid, that is 50%, 30%, 70%, somewhere no, zero. Such things we have seen. So what will the management do? Where will the teachers go and ask? Already they have good commitments in their family, with others, whatever it is. They have their own family with the kids, with their kids' education. So where will they approach? So here, from private schools and Children Welfare Association, here I humbly request the state government and the government of India to come forward and please give some packages. It's an appeal, you can say ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮನವಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ಕೈ ಮುಗಿದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಾಗಲಿ, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ಆಗಲಿ, ಭಾರತ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ಆಗಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್